Wow. Love Me has did it again, honey. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Anitra Latrice. I am a wife and working mom to 4 beautiful children. On my channel you can expect to see weekly vlogs, standing lives, get ready with me's, wig reviews, a little bit of cleaning, and a whole lot of things. So if you are into any of that, go ahead and hit that fabulous subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. So today you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous, beautiful, elegant, flowy, beautiful, gorgeous, everything you need type of wig, honey. So let me tell you some more info about this unit. This is a chestnut brown loose wave 5x5 kosher lace wig. It is also glueless and it's pre-plucked. I have her in 20 inches and she is a nice length on me. It's not too long and it's not too short. It also is lightweight. It doesn't feel like it's a lot of hair on my head, and it fits very comfortable. This is a great unit to have because it is glueless. Let me show you all. Let me show you. It is a stylish and great protective unit to have. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This is 100% virgin human hair. It should last you 1 year or more. The color is chestnut brown. It's like a nice warm dark brown. It's absolutely an amazing color. The hairline is pre-plucked. I went in and did just a little bit more plucking, but you do not have to do absolutely anything to this unit. You could just take it out the box, cut the lace, curl it up a little bit, and you are good to go. This unit also can be dyed, so if you want to put a little highlights in this unit, you do have the option to do that. It also comes with straps and an attached adjustable band to help you give you that glueless effect. It also comes with 4 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. The circumference of this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. It fits absolutely very comfortable. It's not too loose or too tight on my head, and it comes ear to ear as well. The lace area is 5x5, so you do have the option to go in the middle or on either side, whatever your heart desires. When it comes to you, it's in a default parting of the middle part, which is my favorite parting anyway. I absolutely love a good middle part unit, and this is the one to have, y'all. Y'all need this unit in your collection, like quick, fast, and in a hurry. This unit is absolutely amazing for beginners. It's really a no skill install. You don't have to do too much to this unit. Like I said, all you have to do is just cut the lace, curl it up a little bit, and you are good to go. Protect your edges with this gorgeous unit. When you do not have time to deal with all the glue and adhesive, put this unit on because it is a great glueless unit. It is a great time saver. So if you are late going to work or late to go pick up your kids, or your husband or boyfriend called you for a last minute date night, you can throw this on in seconds and look absolutely gorgeous. You don't have to do no extra work if you choose not to. It comes ready for you with that pre-plucked hairline and the bleach knots. So if you are interested in seeing just how easy and quick it was to put this unit on, stay tuned. What's up, everybody? So I don't know why I just went that high, but what's up, everybody? So we're about to get into this beautiful unit right here, and she is amazing so far. Look at these loose curls. I'm loving it. The color looks so nice as well. It's that nice warm chestnut. So I'm loving that right there. And it's in 20 inches. Let's put her on. We're going to be wearing this glueless, of course. So we're going to put it on. And what I love about this unit is the strap is adjustable. You can go as tight as you want or as loose as you want. Loving that part. So let's put her on. I'm liking the hairline, looks pretty good so far. Go on and clip this in. They have the clips like right here instead of being on the side. They kind of like right here. So that's different. Pull it back because I don't want it all the way to my eyebrows. No shade, but I ain't gonna wear my hair to my eyebrows. But anyway, we are going to get this together. Like, y'all, it's cute. It's cute. I'm liking it. Okay, all right. So we're gonna clip this hair back so we can get into this lace and really see how the hairline is. Do we need to pluck it? I know we are going to go in with our hot comb, of course, so we can press it back some more. But look at the hairline. Look at that. Pre-plucked, y'all, so y'all can wear it just like this. As y'all know, I'm extra, so we're gonna hot comb it just to see if I want to go in and pluck. But we're gonna hot comb it first because we may not have to go in and pluck it some more. Like I said, you can wear it just like this. If you like it pre-plucked like this, you can do it and it looks good just like this. But like I said, I'm extra. So we're gonna plug it some more after we see how it looks after we hot comb it. So before we move any further, we're gonna hot comb it right now because we got a lot of flyaways on this unit. So let me unclip it, pull this unit back on top of my head on this wig cap because we ain't trying to burn our foreheads, and I got a big forehead, y'all. So must do something right. We can't get it. Alright, y'all, so we done hot combed it a little bit. I'm gonna bring it back on down. Okay, I'm gonna clip it back. Well, let me clip the insides first. Make sure it doesn't slide nowhere. Clip it back. So this is the hairline with me hot combing it back some, and as y'all can see, the pre-pluckage, it looks pretty nice. So this is great for a beginner. If you worried about, you know, having to pluck a unit, you don't have to pluck this unit. So it looks good. How it's pre-plucked, it looks good right out of the box. I like it, but I want more. So yeah. So next we're going to cut this lace. I'm gonna bring this down some. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right, baby. I believe in us. It looks good, y'all. Another thing that I like about this unit is it doesn't have, you know, they had them like them tabs on the end of the lace when you do those 4x4s, 5x5s, whatever. They had them the hard white tabs on the side. This unit doesn't have that. Absolutely love that about this unit. You don't have to worry about trying to cut those little end pieces off. Love it. Absolutely love that part about it. Again, this hairline is good, but we're gonna make it even better. Like, I'm liking this, y'all. I'm liking this already. The curls looks good. I haven't done anything to the curls, y'all. So we're going to go back. For those who want to be a little extra and do some plucking, we're going to go back. We're going to not too far back, but we're going to go back some. And I'm going to clip this so it is out of the way. And we're going to go in and we're just going to pluck just a little bit. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline. You could be my sunshine. In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You y'all, okay, and this look pretty good. I don't want to do too much, just a little bit. All right, y'all, we have plucked it and it's looking pretty good. I'm liking it. So next we're going to hot comb this again, but this time we're going to be using our wax stick. I get this wax stick off Amazon. I don't know how others use. This works pretty good to me, so we're just going to continue to use it. We're just going to continue to use it. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to place it on the front sides of this unit and on the parting parts of it, just anywhere I want to lay flat. And this unit does have a lot of flyaways, so this is going to help with that as well. And it's all because of you. You made the flower. I like this wax stick. It gets the job done. Like I said, I haven't tried other wax stick. I don't have no complaints with this. We're going to push this back and get the clips out. Pull this back onto my wig cap so we are not burning our scalp. And we're just gonna flat iron it. Baby, now I believe. I like to go back with mine. I like to see that clean hairline. I've never been into the baby hair, so it just was not me. And then we go down the sides. Let's do something right, baby. I believe in us. I'm liking it, y'all. I am liking this. So this looks pretty good. So next we're about to curl this unit. The curls looks good, but they are looking a little frizzy, so we need to get that under control. I got my wig brush and we're just gonna brush the hair out. Let's do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. Alright, so now that we have brushed the hair, what we're going to do next is we're just going to curl it all over so we can tame some of this hair because it's looking a little frizzy and wild. So we're just going to curl it up and look fabulous. So I'm just going to do one session at a time. And just do some loose curls, nothing too fancy. And that's gonna be it for this unit. Like, this unit is really simple. It's not a lot to do to this unit, and I absolutely love that. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. For a lifetime underneath the moonlight, cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine in a world so full of pain. Can you make it go away? It used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right, baby. I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. Y'all, this is her. I am loving this unit. Like, if y'all want to know what my favorite style is, and my husband, because my husband loves when I wear this style, this is it right here. This is it. I love a good middle part unit. Like, this is my style. This is my go-to style. Like, yes. It is so cute. The curls are curling, y'all. Like, They look absolutely gorgeous. Like this soft barrel curls going off up in this piece. This unit was absolutely easy to put on, easy to make look fabulous. Like, you don't have to do nothing to this unit. Like, wow. Luv Me has did it again, honey. Like, this is gorgeous. Like, look at this. Look at this, y'all. Look. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see this gorgeousness? Do you see it? Because this is absolutely amazing. I tell you, this is a perfect everyday type of unit. Like, I'm gonna wear the mess out of this, okay? I'm letting you know this right now. This is a great work wig. This is a great church wig. This is a great date night wig. Like, this is your everything wig, okay? So like, it is lightweight. It doesn't feel like a lot of hair on my head. It actually fits really good. It fits ear to ear on me. The hairline is awesome as well. You do not have to do any plucking to it if you don't want to. Like, as y'all saw, I only did just a little bit. I didn't do a lot. I only did just a little bit, and it looks absolutely amazing. So let me put some. Baby, I believe. You do not have to do much to this unit. Like, it is amazing. Easy wig to put out. I 100% hands down recommend this unit. This is a 10 out of 10 to me. To me, honey, this is a 10 out of 10. Like, yes. So let me show you the back. Let's stay here for a lifetime underneath the moonlight. Cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline. You could be my sunshine. In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? It used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air. So there you have it, y'all. This unit is absolutely amazing. I know I say that a lot when it comes to Luv Me Hair, but they are absolutely amazing. Like, what other word can you use with a Luv Me Hair unit? It's amazing. It's fabulous. It's stunning. It's classy. It's elegant. It's sophisticated. It is gorgeous. This is absolutely an amazing unit to have. I cannot say it enough, y'all. This is amazing. I love this unit. So cute, so soft, and the best part is glueless, honey. You can throw this on and go. Like, throw it on, finger comb the curls out, and you are good to go, honey. Like, this unit is so easy, and it's beginner friendly. If you want a beginner friendly type of unit that you don't have to do much to, this is your unit. She's gonna get you right, okay? Because it got me all the way together, okay? I love this unit. It is so amazing. I can't say enough. Just go get it, okay? Go get it. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there below as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.